Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our 02 Chevy Avalanche. Is one from the state of South Dakota. I think it come out of Phoenix originally. I think it probably was seized by them at one time. Then they were using it for some type of vehicle. But you can see a little bit of hail on it. Not a lot, but it does got a little bit. I don't know if you can see that in the video. But being out of Phoenix, it's pretty clean. Got a little rust on the rockers down there, but that's about it. Interior's nice shape. 168, 127 is the mileage. There you can hear the heater. Turn the radio on. There's the radio. Horn works. Blinker to the left, blinker to the right. There's your wipers. Left mirror works. There we go. Left another. You can see it's got window tint on it. Not too dark. So for its age, it's in pretty good shape. Everything works on it. Turn the lights on, show you the lights, but there's power seat. So if you're looking for, there ain't a lot of these around anymore, and this one's pretty clean. Like I said, don't have any of the rust back here, which the northern ones get. Tires got pretty good tread on them. Of course, this cladding gets a little faded. That's just kind of all of them just come from age. Like I said, there really isn't any rust here. So, good looking vehicle inside and out. There's the headlights, they're a little foggy just from age. But any questions, 605-692-7010.